What I should say is, Matthew, I can't smile and hug and preach the beauty of creation because inside here there's just sin and sickness and
you.